Good evening, everybody. Tonight I'm going to introduce to you our brand new Bearsampp QuickPick module installation service. Brand new, this just releasing it tonight, and it's going to allow you in just 2 clicks to install any module that we have ever created. Very simple to use. Don't have to worry about unzipping and where does it go and do you have it in the right place. Just 2 clicks and you're done. So the first thing that's going to happen is if you are not connected to the internet, maybe you put it on your laptop and you're working out of your car, or Wi-Fi is dropped away, or whatever the situation is. If there is no internet present, it will give you this icon message here, right here, showing you that there is no internet present. Okay? And of course, if you have no net, you can't download things. Let's turn our net back on. And then the other thing is, in your bearsampp.conf file, you will need to add this download ID equals and then your download ID. The case matters. The D and the I must be capped. If this is a brand new setting, you've just come to Bearsampp, this will be included already. But if you've been using Bearsampp for a while, this will not be in your bearsampp.conf file, and so you'll need to add it manually. All right. If for some reason you don't have a valid ID, or if you forget to put it in, you're going to get this icon here saying that you need to subscribe. All right. When you click on that, it'll take you to our subscription plans. We have 2 plans currently. We have a monthly and a lifetime. The lifetime is $199, and that covers everything. And then you have a monthly, which is just $1.99. Okay, so it's not very much money. Makes your life just a little bit easier, which is why we did it. It's going to make things a lot easier for you. All right, so now you've done that. You've signed up. You paid your money. You go to My Account, Download ID, and there will be a download ID here. If there's not, go ahead and hit Process, and it'll give you a new one. So here's your download ID. You'll need to copy that and put that into your bearsampp.com. Okay? Save it. Come back to your local host. And now you'll get this box. This is the module selector. It lists every extension, every module we've got. Okay? If you want to do something like, say, PHP 7430, there it goes. It's downloading. Now it's extracting. It tells you it's done and that a reload is needed. We're working on a way for that to be automated also. But currently, when you download a binary, you will need to right-click on Bearsampp, left-click on Reload in order for that binary to show up in your version. Okay? Where that icon's. But anyway. Some of the files, like Python, this takes a very long time. Python's just a big file. It's just a really big program, and so it takes a while to extract it. You are able to do more than one module at a time. However, we do not recommend you do so because it's very easy for you to actually run out of network resources. I'll try to demonstrate that right now. So here I've got 2 that I've selected. The first one you see is showing that it's being extracted right now. Okay, that one's done. As you see, it was simultaneously downloading and extracting, and it creates a network error. We don't know any way around this currently, so we just strongly recommend you just do one at a time. You don't have to reload each time. You can download several. Let's do PHP 7433. Okay, that one's done. Let's do PHP 8021. Okay, that one's done. Now if we go to versions, oh, they're here. Oh, I must have already had them installed. But if you were to come to versions, they wouldn't show up. Okay, matter of fact, let me just go do that. Let me doc and PHP 338021. I'll delete them. Show you how, and we'll leave this open over here. P 7433 PHP done. P021. So you see they're both down here. Oh, I didn't reload. Ah, darn it. All right, now if we check our versions, those versions do not exist. Okay? All right, so let's go install them again. PHP 7433. PHP 021. You'll see it showing up down here in a second. There it is. Okay, now if we go to versions, it's not there. Like I said, we're trying to figure out a way to make that happen automatically for you. But currently what you have to do is you have to right click on Bearsampp, left click on reload. Takes just a second. Now when you go to versions, you'll see they're there, 338021. It's that simple. All you have to do is pick the module that you want to install. Let's go Perl. Extracting. And you're all done. Just that simple. And if it's not a binary, so if it's not Apache, PHP, MySQL, MariaDB, etc., you don't need to reload. All you need to do is come down in here to your bearsampp.conf and change it down in here. So if it's one of these files down here, you do not need to use the reload. And the thing tells you that. You just need to update bearsampp.conf. Okay, and then you'll need to reload. All right, or you can just, it'll work the next time you start it. Again, it's something we're trying to make easier for you. We're having some difficulties, but it works the way it is currently. Okay, so that's how you use the service. Now we've also introduced proper inside here a brand new forum, and we're going to try to be very up to date with the forum. We'll answer your questions as fast as we possibly can. We've got a general support area for just general questions. And then we've got one for every module that we support. As modules are deprecated, which there are currently 4 that we are deprecating out, XDebug Client, Yarn, FileZilla, and MailHog will be gone first of the year. There will be no further updates to those modules currently. But if you have a question for one of these specific modules, ask. We're more than happy to help you. That's what this whole thing is for. We're trying to give you the ability to reach out to us easier. You've got GitHub, which is still valid for issues. You've got our Facebook group, which is valid. And now you've got forums. So we're really giving you a lot of ways to reach out and speak with us and get help from us and Tell us features you want or things you don't like that you wish would be changed. Just reach out and let us know. So we hope this introduction to the new Bearsampp QuickPick installation service was helpful. We hope you enjoy the service. If you have any questions or any problems with the service, reach out to us. Let us know. We'll be happy to help you.